Hey, what's up vlog? Today we're gonna go to Mayon volcano. You already know what it is. We're gonna go south of Bicol. We're gonna check out the volcano and bro, we're gonna watch that erupt, bro. Our vehicle is about to take off.
Dikdi ka na po yo.
I'm actually hyped because I never saw a volcano like IRL with my own two eyes, and this is one of the reasons I came here. Do you have something to say to the vlog? What do you want to say? Yeah, whatever she said. I'm not sure what she said, but she said something. Actually, if I had to like name my favorite volcano, it would be the Squidward volcano.
Hey, Mallory! Mallory! Say something!
Wow, it's so pretty. So we took a break out so that we could take beautiful pics over here, dude. Like, look at this, dude. I'm amazed right now. Like, bro, like, dude, I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. Like, no words.
Say hi, Rob. Say hi!
Hi. Hi. Kamusta ka na?
Kamusta ka na kahit wag nang sagutin?
Say hi, Pray!
Oh, hi, Nan Afrey. Hi!
Look at this view. So pretty. But I'm prettier, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. Parehas ka naman ni Tito Michael. Oh. Mahal-mahal dali ka. Chuchuri at 20 pesos. Then, nakikita ang face mo, be. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Dude, I wish I lived here, honestly, like in Philippines. Dude, it's too nice. Finally made it. It's so foggy, can't see anything even with the glasses, bro. And it's so cold and it's so good. Like,
I'm in Canada. You didn't find me.
bro, Philippines.
foggy.
We're in Philippines still and it's so foggy.
No, it's in Canada.
Maganda talaga dito. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Jesus Christ, it's windy right now. Sus Mario Seb. The sun dance.
Yeah,
So
sige,
the
sige
Mayon
pa.
volcano.
Sige pa!
The sun dance. I mean the Mayon dance.
It's not the mayon dance.
It's
It's a dance that so that the sun will come out.
Rob!
Dude, you already know. I can't go wrong. Tahoe again. This is like the ultimate protein intake. I also love tobacco, dude. Yeah, it's Mr. Clean.
It's not Mr. Clean.
Ano meron dito?
There's a Dorito.
Ano nga?
Dorito.
He's just taking a picture, so y'all will pose with me. Honestly, dude, I think I need a magic spell to like remove all of this fog. Like, seriously. Back to the car. That was short, but for sure there's more, right? I'm not sure. I didn't ask, but I'll just go with the flow. I don't even know what's next in the journey. Bah.
Mana. Oh,
Do! Mayo namang
yun na.
hulog-hulog na ako.
So welcome guys. Today we are at where's this?
Kagsawa.
What?
Kagsawa.
Yeah, today we're at Kagsawa, and as you can see, this beautiful tower is in ruin. Beautiful tower, beautiful tower. It's probably like 100 years old, older than me, of course. We're gonna go check it out. We're gonna get a closer look because it's so beautiful, and like it's like beautiful like my niece right over here.
I know.
You know what I mean? Do you have anything to say to the vlog? No, me neither. But let's go around. Happy ba? Masaya ba? So the more I explore this place, the more I feel like it's so beautiful, this country. You guys even haven't seen it, but I'm looking at it right now, and I'll show you guys in a moment. Do something stupid in the background.
I'm not stupid. If the yellow fish eats this, you give me 5.
Okay.
5 pesos.
Okay, sige. Ay, nak. Also give you food to like feed the fish, bro. Like honestly, I wish I was a fish, bro, cause like free food every day. Let's feed the fish, boys. This is how I feed my fish. Now they're fighting in the water. They're fighting for the food. What do you see, Epoy?
It's nothing.
So I'm eating this spicy ice cream, bro, strawberry flavor, and holy, it's so spicy. Super fun. I had surprisingly really good driving skills, despite the fact that my driver's license expired in Canada since like 2 years ago. So, dude, I'm proud of myself. Say hello. Say hello. Say hi.
Hello.
Hey, the quote of the day is, if they laugh at you because you're different, laugh back at them because they all the same.
Just let me lose interest.
So like I'm staying at this place, right? And that's my niece's bed, and this is my bed. And then if you're wondering why I'm sleeping on the ground, we're like, actually, last night I broke the bed. I put all my weight on that one corner, and then the leg came off, bro. Like, I'm so done.